Hey, what's up, guys? So basically, I want to talk to you about the next step we're going to be working on, which is directly refer one person. Um, Sign up. So you have to make sure that whoever you sign up or sign up under your video, your Action Power Team video page, that they stay for 7 days, and that they also convert into an active member within your downline. So basically, GDI is able to collect the $10 payment for your lead to be an active member. So once that happens, you can go back to you can log back to your GDI members area and check your learning bonus. And this section right here where it says directly refer one person, you should receive a green check mark validating that you have completed the step, to bring you one step closer to earning your $25 learning bonus. Okay, so within this training, I'm gonna be doing maybe a 3-part series of this. So I'm gonna be tackling how to apply free traffic methods and paid traffic methods that I use personally, and that I feel that you can take value at this. Okay, so let's get started. So the first method I'm gonna be using is Facebook. Now, Facebook has lots of traffic has a lot of traffic you can use. Okay, so what I do personally myself, I target Facebook groups. I mainly just target Facebook, making money online Facebook groups. So making money online here group. I'm just showing you some examples. All right. Let's see. Work from home. Make money from home. So basically, you want to get like a lot of groups that has a lot of members within that group. So that can be helpful as well. So these are like good examples. Okay. So basically, what I did here is basically what you want to do. You want to create a post. You want to go to the group and make sure you post in each group one at a time. Okay, one at a time. Now don't post too much, otherwise Facebook probably might spam it or anything like that. So just try to post one at a time. Take your time, so everything can be done the correct way. So I'm going to give you guys some tips. Give me some tips I can show you. So what I like to do, I don't usually keep it as a white background. I like to just have these type of designs behind it, just to make it more appealing, more vibrant, eye-catching to people who see my posts. So what we're going to do, we're going to go here. I'm going to show you some examples. All right. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go here, copy this. Boom. Facebook group. Paste this. Who wants to earn $400 a week for every 5 friends? Free to get started. Comment your email down below. Okay. So what you do, you just post. Boom. Refresh it. It should show up somewhere. Give it a moment. Check this out. Yeah, right here. I apologize for that. It was all the way in the bottom. So, who wants to earn $100 a week for every 5 friends? Free to get started. Comment your email down below. Okay? So, basically what you want to do after that, once someone comments out their email down below, Basically, what you want to reply, sending email now, or you can what you can do, you can send sending info now to your email, and then they'll probably reply okay, thanks, or anything like that. So next thing you want to do, moving forward, now you're gonna go here, GDI. This is the email template I mentioned about earlier. Basically, you want to go here, go to your email, boom, create a new email. I'll do like an example. So just like an email I have, subject, copy the subject. You made a great choice. Great choice. Great choice. Exclamation point, just to make it look better. Go here. Alright, perfect. Copy this. Paste this here. Paste it. And make sure within the email, the body of the email, make sure you, my previous training videos, like I mentioned, make sure to edit your name out. Make sure to edit this part where it says your name and put your name within that area, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And basically, though, you could just send it. So this is basically what will be sent. That will be sent. Everything here, and you can send this to your email, to your lead. Send it now. Give a perfect example. Okay. So I'm just waiting for the email to come. Boom, came here. Right. So I got it in my other email. So basically, what I'm gonna do, the lead will see the email, and basically, I put a note here just to make sure, like, you can copy and paste the URL to your web browser. So what they do, they'll copy and paste the web browser to their URL, web browser. They'll go here, boom, copy, paste. They'll go here, and then they'll scroll up. And if they want to open it within the YouTube app, they can do so. Boom, it takes them to my YouTube page where all the training is at, and everything will be all set. And then they'll just start from video 1 all the way down, and then everything will be automated, so you won't have to do any work or try to like talk to them or anything like that. If you don't feel comfortable, I have done all the work for you guys, so just to provide more value for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll move on to the next step.